"We are gratified with this result and we look forward to a full resolution in the coming days," CNN and its chief White House correspondent Jim Acosta said in a prepared statement issued moments after prevailing with TRO bid in U District Court. "Our sincere thanks to all who have supported not just CNN, but a free, strong and independent American press," CNN and Acosta said after a federal judge told Donald Trump's White House to immediately restore Acosta's press badge. "Expect Acosta to report from the White House today," CNN said. This though Acosta was scheduled to be on vacation. White House yanked Acosta's badge after he refused to hand over a microphone at President Donald Trump's unhinged morning-after-midterms White House presser, continuing to pepper POTUS with pronouncements and questions, while an intern struggled in vain to snatch the microphone from his hand. CNN sued the White House and several key Trump aides this week, claiming CNN and Acosta's First and Fifth Amendment rights had been violated. As CNN's legal guru Jeffrey Toobin noted in post-ruling on-air coverage, the judge has narrowly ruled on CNN's TRO request only, saying that the White House failed to go through due process in pulling Acosta's badge, but did not dismiss the White House claim of the right to maintain order at pressers and briefings. Toobin laid out two scenarios that could follow. The White House either calls Acosta and they shake hands, which would be the sensible ruling, or Trump's White House may decide to establish the process and try to take away Acosta's press pass and continue the fight. "This situation cries out for a sensible, honorable non-legal resolution," Toobin said. Outside the Washington, D.C. court, Acosta took a victory lap, beaming, "I want to thank all of my colleagues in the press who supported us this week, and I want to thank the judge for the decision he made today."
Let's get back to work.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.